Hello, good afternoon, lovely people across the world. Actually, I want to share with you guys how normally I have my quiet time whenever I'm bored. I try to go to the beach. They have some adventurous rocks that I normally climb and also relax on. And there are a lot of crabs there to calm my nerves. And also I sit there to freshen up. So as you can see, I'm heading towards that destination. So join me as we proceed. So you can see. Sometimes, how do you call it? Life gets tougher. Some days are there, you get frustrated. Some days are there, you don't have happiness in your soul and also in your spirit. So to be indoors is a disease. So that's why I urge everyone that anytime you feel like you're not happy, try to walk around. Try to go out. Definitely you're going to meet someone you can talk to, or probably maybe nature can calm your nerves down. Okay, so join me as we explore. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, make sure you tap the notification button. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Our target is to reach 100k subscribers or 200k subscribers before March. So this is our target, and I know you're going to be a part of this journey. I'm almost at my destination, so I'm heading towards the beach. It's been fun. This is all the African way of living. I'm heading towards the Big Millis Beach Hotel. Some health screening going on.
Why calling perfect? On the unit of team members, I am a 101 percent on a foundation.
That's some advertisement of what do you call it? Look at some beautiful artwork. Very nice place. It belongs to a king. These are our former leaders called the Big Six. They are all dead and gone. Nice work. Amazing scene. The reason why I like here so much is here is mostly quiet. Mostly quiet. These are some beautiful African West. Champion, I salute you. One of these days I will come get some of this your stuff. So there's some beautiful stuff here. African chains. Wow. I'll give you more clients. What will be the name?
The name be
Jinyame. Titi Nyame. Wow. Asian God. Nice, 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 nice. Beautiful environment you can see. His name is called Titinyami in the Chi dialect, which means our Asians God, which is powerful. Very, 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 very powerful. Because here in Africa, we believe in God, and we believe that without God, we are nothing. Because this universe didn't come by himself. It was through a power and through some magnetic force that brought this world and universe to existence, as you all know. So you're almost at our destination. We have few hours to go. There's an amazing tattoo shop over there, you can see. So anytime you are here in Ghana and you want to get your tattoos fixed, you can come here. That guy is very, very good, trust me. I myself personally, I don't have tattoos on, don't get me wrong. I feel like I don't like it, though, me myself. But if I see it on someone, I see it as an amazing. But having it on my own self, it becomes difficult for me. Easy, lazy. Some of the amazing beach hotels here. So as you can see, we are getting closer to the sea. And trust me, the view here is very, 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 very beautiful and awesome. You can see this building is very, very nice, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. Ooh. I wish you are here. You can see how the air feels so relaxing and so sweet. So beloveds, trust me, we are here at the beach. At the sun. Wow. Anytime I find myself here, I feel happy and very, very, very relaxing. Because why? It was through water that the earth was what was formed. So I have some big respect for water. See, that's a white lady over there having a beautiful time. Our journey has begun. Our hiking journey. Ooh, I need to cross all these obstacles. When I'm able to cross them, I'll be able to calm my nerves down. And trust me, there are some beautiful crabs here. Ooh. It's not easy. Yeah. Oh, the main obstacles are in front there. So you can see some beautiful crabs. If you don't take time, if you don't take time, you end up falling. So you need to use some strategic movement to enable you to move swiftly. Otherwise, you end up getting injured. Whoa. Yeah. Aside the massage that I've been given, I also have a personal life, and these are some of the few things normally I usually do whenever I'm bored, whenever I feel lonely, whenever I'm not happy and things are bothering me. I try to come this side to calm my nerves down as a Rastafarian, as I am. This is the only thing I can do to make myself happy. Now you're almost there. You're coming to climb. Yeah, the most tough. So when I get here, it feels like I'm on top of the sea, because you can see I'm very, very, very high. This is how the amazing fruit, very, very painful. This thing when it tricks you, you have to descend. Descending to is not easy. Oh, look at the scene, very, very nice. So imagine after these amazing walks, trust me, I'll feel better when I get home. Before I leave this place, trust me. And also, if you're here and listening to the watching or listening to this video, trust me, if you're in the diaspora and you want to come to Africa and you want to own a land closer to the sea, you can just DM me. You want to own a building closer to the sea, you can just DM me. I got you sorted and I got you covered. I get you sorted and also I get you covered. These are some of the beach houses. Very, very nice. Very nice place. The sea is trying to chase me away. Very nice place. We are still there. Some amazing place that you can lodge. Whenever you come to Africa, you're looking for a place to lodge that's closer to the sea. These are some of the amazing apartments you can see behind me. Very, very beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful. Very beautiful and nice. And trust me, it's very, very affordable. Nice, beautiful place. Trust me. You will enjoy it. You know, your guy, my eyes longs for good things. So when I tell you that this thing is good, trust me, it's good. It's good. It's good. As you can see, I'm closing in small to where exactly I'm going. And that place usually is a small cave. And you can see the sea coming through and full. It's an amazing place. Somebody lives here. Trust me, the person is enjoying life. Enjoying the best life. Whoa. I also live closer to the sea, but probably I might be 2 kilometers away from it. I think 5 kilometers away from the sea. But these people live closer. I wish I can live closer like this to have an amazing fun like the way we used to have. But yeah, it's very serene, very calm, relaxing. I'll be shooting a massage content here very soon. Definitely. I'll be shooting a content here. So watch out. Okay? Make sure you watch out. There are some amazing. So because here is safe, a lot of foreigners comes here to relax. Yeah. A lot of whites. usually come here for relaxation because here is what? Saver. Yeah, very saver. Very saver. Yeah, we are almost closing in to our destination. We are getting closer. Yes. The sun over there. There are some huge rocks down here. Trust me. It's very tough to even swim here. It's not easy to swim here. Trust me, look. It's not easy at all. I almost fell. Ooh. I need to pass through this. It's not easy. That plant there is very scary. When it chokes you, hey, you end up having some hot feeling, which is unpleasant. Aye. Here's also some amazing beach house. Very nice. Very nice. You are closing into where you are going. I love the view. Very nice place. I love the view. Goes out to the sea. I've not gotten to my destination yet, but I can see I'm very much relieved. Very much relieved. Trust me. I'm happy to as well. Nice place. Whew. We'll be going all the way to the top there. Wow. It's been a while since I came here though. And trust me, a lot of things have changed. I can tell. A lot has changed. Wow. Ooh. It feels great. I'm on top of the rock. I need to calm down. Yeah, it's very cool, very calm. Let's go Hammer Beach. As we proceed, I'm taking you in. You see the door? Very small. I had to just bend down this way and enter. Whoa. Whew. It's more than exercise. Trust me, this whole journey, it's more than exercise. Whew. It seems like this site is an abandoned place. Nobody stays in here. I can hardly hear someone's voice here. But it's like, there's an inscription on the wall. Let me show you. There's an inscription on the wall. They said, find your calm between the waves. You see, that's the banner over there. So that's the olden day. This one bears history. It's history. There's an ancient building over there in the 1890s. That was when this building was built. And trust me, it belongs to some white man. He's from the He's a German US citizen, half German. Yeah, you can see the place, very nice and serene. One time the box and him say man will teach you how to box some blood and whip two champion. Some say I say I'm having had. Yeah, yeah. Which he meant the idea of yeah. What's about the pension? Mago pension, yeah. When in the mago pension, mago pension, yeah. I mean, I'm singing, but not Titanic. Go fly, but I will take the team mistake. They can't win, I mean, I just for the day. Come to fire, because I'm a not doing basket, I won't pick a basket, need water. I can't take it so. I'm a turn on. Yeah, that's right. Hey, nice. Don't first line on the building. I know they come back from my own party. I tell them, say, oh, make a spot there for me. I will come box for, I will come sit for you. Come on. Come on. But don't hear them go. Daddy. Leave me for the guy. Gee. Hey. I'm paying. One.
Words. Words are valuable. Do not spend them carelessly.
Nice one.
By Eric Chantry.
Best place ever to relax. This is the best place ever to do what? To relax, because trust me, this here is an amazing place. Amazing place. I love you so much. I can't get enough of this place. Woo. Normally I used to sit here. Normally here is very relaxing, very beautiful place. Yes. Yeah. This is where normally I used to sit to calm my nerves down. I used to sit to make plans. You can see the beautiful cat over there having his time. You see a beautiful cat having his time at the beach. Very, very friendly. Anytime you come here, you're going to meet these amazing cats. Lovely, lovely cat. It's very, very friendly. Yeah. Very friendly, trust me. More often when I come here, I spend a lot of time with this amazing cat. He's such a darling. Such a darling. Very lovely, very lovely. So trust me, here's why I calm my nerves. I calm my nerves with nature. So I urge everyone to also do say. I urge everyone to also what? Do say. I'm having my best time. Oh. See, this is the 9th section. This building is also an Asian building, built in the 1890s. Oh. It's a nice place. So, as we proceed, this is how I ease my stress. Yeah. This how. It's very dark out here. I need to walk all the way to the main road before I can be able to get a car or something like that. Probably from here to where my house is about 2 kilometers. But because I'm already tired because of the hiking I went, I can't afford to also walk again. It's going to be long. Yeah. So I prefer walking. I've gotten up this point. That's it. Fun out here. Trust me. Today I've really released my stress. And I'm very happy I did. I did this amazing idea. So, amazing lifestyle and go to the
Global. I saw them.